All right, here we go. Average Joe's box 11-12 Panini certified. So let's see, buddy. We start with a base pack. Oh, I got that out of the way earlier. We've got a Fabric of the Game NHL die cut, numbered 16/25, Jeff Carter. Base. We've got a Masked Marvels Marc-Andre Fleury. Marc-Andre Fleury. We've got a redemption for a freshman signatures 191 Zach Rinaldo. We've got a mirror red, number to 199, Curtis Glencross. We've got a Fabric of the Game, mirror red dual jersey, number to 150, Jerome Iginla. We've got a mirror blue, number 98/99, Evgeny Malkin. We've got a private signings, Kendall McArdle. And a certified potential, Sergei Bobrovsky. Now for the Fan Expo packs, well, we start very nicely with a Prism Cracked Ice Rookie Autograph, numbered to 5, Jake Allen. Out of 5. Got a rookie to 599, Vladimir Tarasenko. Rookie to 599, Jonathan Huberdeau. We've got a rookie Lava Flow parallel, numbered to 100, Dougie Hamilton. We've got a rookie to 599, Dougie Hamilton. We've got a Prism Cracked Ice Rookie, numbered to 25, Chris Foucault. And a rookie to 599, Scott Lawton. We've got a Rookie Materials, Dougie Hamilton. We got a rookie to 599, Ryan Murphy. We've got a rookie to 599, Vladimir Tarasenko. And we've got a rookie Lava Flow parallel, number to 100, Justin Schultz. So there we go, buddy.